Little camp buddy. Little toad. He's going to be eating all the little ground bugs, so we're going to leave him alone. It's the biggest millipede you'll see in most of the United States. I think Florida's got a bigger one. You can see those legs going. They're pretty cool. Check out this beautiful DeKay's brown snake. I'm gonna get a good shot of that pattern he's got. It's pretty wicked. He's got the spots going down him, and then it chills out. Oh, hey, buddy. It kind of goes. That pattern comes out at the end. See there? Like it goes kind of this bare brown. He's just coming right up here. Trying to figure us out. What's up, buddy? This is pretty wicked. Easy. I wouldn't leave him alone, so he just decided to come check us out, I guess. That's pretty cool. I think they eat slugs and snails. Maybe some other little bugs, but I know those are on the diet. This is cool. I've never seen one of these out here. Wow, I like that pattern. That's super cool. See, it just like fades out down here. Wow. That dude's cool. There's a snake in my boot. Later, bro. This crawfish right here just molted out of that. That's pretty sweet. Just got to see that. These are non-venomous. However, at any size, these dudes will bite you. And once they get about the size of your thumb, they're going to draw blood. We've got ourselves some sort of skink here at camp. He's doesn't look like a 5-line skink. He's got the brown pigmentation to him. I will put the name on the video, but he's a cool dude. You see the 5-line skinks, which are black, a lot around here, but these guys are a little more elusive.